Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In this video, you'll learn the fastest way to set up your LOODC Wi-Fi repeater using the WPS Push Button method. We'll cover the complete installation process from beginning to end, explain the meaning of each LED indicator, and share practical tips to help you get the best Wi-Fi coverage. If your internet signal doesn't reach every room, this easy guide will help you boost your wireless network without any complicated configuration. By the end of this video, you'll have a stronger and more reliable Wi-Fi signal in every corner of your home. So let's start the setup process. Firstly, plug the repeater into a wall outlet close to your router. Wait for the power LED to turn solid. Allow the repeater about 30 to 60 seconds to boot completely. Tip: do not unplug the repeater during startup. In this video, I will show you how to set up the DHMX-DC wireless N 300 megabits per second Wi-Fi range extender using the WPS Push Button method. If you are facing weak Wi-Fi signals or internet dead zones in your home or office, this extender can help boost your existing Wi-Fi network and improve coverage. I will explain each and every step in detail so you can easily connect the DHMX-DC Wi-Fi extender to your router without using complicated settings. So let's start the setup process. Within 2 minutes of pressing the router's WPS button, press the WPS button on the LOODC repeater. Hold it for 2 to 3 seconds. Release the button. The repeater's WPS or Wi-Fi LED will begin flashing. This means the repeater is searching for the router. Do not unplug either device. The pairing process usually takes 30 seconds, 1 minute, or up to 2 minutes. During this time, the LEDs may blink several times. When the setup is complete, WPS LED becomes solid. Wi-Fi LED remains solid. Signal indicator LEDs illuminate. Or Internet LED, if available, turns solid. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.